Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Fast Vlog, Bisdak in America. Today's video, we will do unboxing and assembling this 9 cube stackable organizer. So, we bought this at Menards at gamit yung rebates namin. Pag bumibili ka sa Menards, mayroon kang 11% rebates. So, depende kung magkano yung nabili mo. So, depende din ang amount na rebates. Nakakuha kami ng 40 bucks na rebates. So, ito yung binili ko. Actually, I want to buy shoe rack. Kasi yung mga sapatos namin doon, sa sahig lang. So, gusto ko mayroong organizer. So, ito na lang ang binili ko. Stackable organizer. So, I will assemble this too. And this costs 39 bucks. So, tamang-tama yung 40 bucks na rebates namin. And if you like this video, please give us a big
thumbs up.
And don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time me and mommy upload a video.
So, let's start unboxing.
My favorite part.
My favorite part. So, ang size nito is 35, ang height is 35.78, 35 inches in height, and then ang width is 35 and 3/4 inches, and ang diameter is 11 and 5/8 inches. So, i-open na natin.
Oh my.
Ang bigat. Ang bigat, guys. So, may styrofoam.
Woods. This is the color. I don't know what color this is.
The color is, what's the color of this? I don't know what's the color. So, ito yung mga screws na gagamitin. Ito. And we have
I think we have 12 of these ones, little ones, and then 4 of these ones. Unless they count this.
no. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of this square wood.
Oh, never mind.
And ang bigat! What's this? Cardboard.
These are plain.
And we have 1, 2, 3, 4,
And 5. No,
5,
there's actually
6. 6 ang ganito. So, ang instruction is this one. Nandito na ang instruction. So, ito yung tools needed. Screwdriver. Wala kaming ano dito. Hammer. Ito lang gagamitin ko. Pang dukduk. Pang dukduk. So, let's start. So, I put some rug para ma-protect yung ano namin, floor. So, first, ouch, that hurts. Unfinished edges are shaded in gray. So, unfinished edges. So, this is unfinished edges. It is important to understand how finished edges go together. Okay. This is the... So...
You have like 2 of these?
Yes, we have... like this one.
Now you lay it down. Yeah, this is B. And there's like letters and like the unfinished ones, I think.
Yeah, this is B. So B is on the top and the bottom. So, where's the other B?
Oh, this one's A. This one's A. I think it's... Oh, here.
So, this is both B.
This one.
Then,
Then the... Then...
so we have 1, 2, 3. So B. The B is bottom and the top. So this is B.
And A is...
So it's like that. So the face is like that. So this is the B and the E. So next, I will find here. All of this is
so
D.
And then D.
All of this is D.
So that you put them in there and then stack them with these and then like that. Then we need C. Where's C? Oh, all of these are unfinished edges.
Yes. So
Now I get
it's like that. It's like that.
Okay.
So so attach fixed shelf to one side panel. Make sure unfinished edges of one are up. this is the finished product. There it has 3 layers, 1, 2, 3, and it has 9 cubes. Ayan.
We finished it!
Yeah, we finished it. And I choose this color. This color because mostly dito sa bahay is brown yung color. Though I like white, but yeah. So, i-transfer na natin siya sa lugar kung saan siya nararapat. Dito ko siya ilalagay, guys. Kasi tingnan yung mga sapatos, chinilas, nandyan. So, dyan ko ilalagay yung shoe rack ko. So, this is the final look of my DIY shoe rack. Yan. Pasensya na kayo sa mga sapatos na dirty. Yan. At saka pag may malaki pang space, so pwede ako bibili ng what do you call that? Shoe organizer din para may makalagay ka dito ng ibang shoes. So, ito na siya. Yan na ang kabuuan sa aming yan, andyan ang flower. I know, not really flower. Dyan ang bula. Tanim yan. It's a palm tree, I think. Yeah, this is a palm tree.
It looks really nice.
Thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoy our video. And so, see you on our next vlog. And don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. And also share this video.
yes, and see you on our next vlog. Bye. Keep safe, everyone.
1, 2, 3, come on!